All rise. He's Jamal Spencer.
And he's Mark Skol Jr. Sports Court is in session. Welcome to another edition of Sports Court. We're talking Major League Baseball this week. Our question, who should be the Tigers' All-Star representative? They named the All-Star team on July 2nd. So who's it gonna be? You could have named Riley Green. That would have been awesome. He's hurt. There's a few Tigers you could have named, but they're hurt. So if you're gonna go with someone on the roster, give me Alex Lang, the closer. I know the Tigers haven't won a ton of games, but he's been pretty consistent as a closer. I believe he's got 14 saves or 12 saves right now. He's only blown 2, which is amazing considering the slide that the Tigers have gone on this year. Twice they've lost at least 7 games in a row. So Alex Lang has been pretty money on the back end. He's top 10 amongst relievers, amongst closers specifically. In strikeouts, he's doing a phenomenal job there. So give me Alex Lang as the Tigers representative for the American League All-Star team.
I really like where your head is at, Jamal. I think you have to go pitcher for the Tigers this year because in the last 5 All-Star games, the Tigers have had a pitcher in the All-Star game. But I don't think Alex Lang has been really that great recently. And I think the one person who was just really good all season, and I know, like you mentioned, he's hurt now, Eduardo Rodriguez. He's been phenomenal all year. When he went to the IL, he had a 2.13 ERA, which was the 4th best mark in the American League at the time. He wasn't just one of the best pitchers in the division. He wasn't just one of the best pitchers in the American League, but one of the best pitchers in baseball. And he had a great year, too.
If we're naming guys who are hurt, you might as well give Riley Green the nod. Listen, Riley Green is the best, and actually at the time of his injury, was the best player on the Tigers by far. And that goes both ways. Offensively, and what he was able to do in center field was absolutely phenomenal. He's been exactly what the Tigers hoped he would be when they drafted him out of high school high in the draft. Now listen, I love Riley Green, but you shouldn't vote for him as an all-star because he hasn't been on the field. I say the same thing about Eduardo Rodriguez. Was he lights out when he was pitching? Absolutely. But when was the last time he pitched in a game? I have a hard time giving a guy an all-star nod when he's missed at least a quarter, if not half, of the first half of the season.
You make a good point, Jamal. Riley Green was the best Tiger on the team, but he's the best player on the Tigers. That doesn't mean he's one of the best players in baseball. Eduardo Rodriguez was phenomenal. That perfect game, you can't tell me you weren't on the edge of your seat watching that 20 straight outs against the Orioles. That was an unbelievable performance. Someone who puts up a performance like that and who was putting up dominant performances consistently, he should be in the All-Star game.
Hey man, times have changed. You don't have to be one of the best players in baseball to make an all-star team. Everybody from Major League Baseball gets at least one representative, so you know the Tigers got to send someone. Listen, this is a great argument. Do you take the person who's injured or do you take the best available player? How do you rule, jury at home? Tell us on the Facebook post for this video.
And we look forward to seeing you again next week. Sports Court is adjourned.